We got the keys. We got the keys. We got the keys. Oh my god, my voice sounds.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
In our new spot, guys, I am sick. I have the flu, but guess what? We still go get it done. And you know I had to show you guys. This is the kids' first time being here. So they're actually gonna see everything new, just like you guys are gonna see new. How you guys feeling right now? How you feeling right now, Juju? You hold time. I already know. Y'all think I could drive one of these? I think I can handle this. I could drive a big body U-Haul. Got this in the bag. I don't know which one is mine though. I'm gonna drive a little bit and see how I like it. If not, then he's gonna take over. But adjust the steering wheel, baby, because it's too high. Still sick. Day 8. Still sick, y'all. But we here. Moving day. We out of here. We're starting new beginnings, and let's get to it because I only got a few hours and I gotta bring this back. Got it? Turn it. Okay, Mia. All right, y'all. Time is coming. We are taking all of the boxes and we're bringing it. Officially move out day, y'all. We got our movers. Yes. Eddie, say hi to the camera.
What's up, y'all?
Look a little tired. Where's the energy? Come on now. And I'm just being cute behind the camera because I'm sick.
We already did a couple rounds already.
Y'all tell them what happened last time when we were leaving New York.
She was very man down sick, respiratory infection, all that.
And what happened now?
Now you're sick again.
Teamwork makes it.
Rub my nose.
Got it? You think you can handle it?
My nose.
How do you feel about leaving?
Regular.
What does regular mean? Can I get more of a descriptive answer, please? You gonna miss this apartment? Did you have good memories here?
Yes.
Are you liking it here in Charlotte?
A little bit.
Or you miss New York?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I'm excited to move.
Guys, I look crusty and dusty, but this is what it is when you're moving, and I'm recovering from whatever I had. But yeah, we're about to leave now. We are waiting for one more thing. We need like some more bags, and then this is gonna be our last hurrah in this apartment. Some good memories here. Okay, some good memories. But now it's time to spread them wings and move along. Period. I look a mess, a whole mess. Like, Jesus. Fix it. Look at them edges. Them grays is coming through, y'all. Because I've been stressed as hell. Look, I don't even need to tell y'all I'm stressed. My hair speaks for itself. Say goodbye. Everything is pretty much out. Still have a little more left, but we getting there. The kitchen is good. Just have a few other things like on the floor that we gotta get, but the living room is good. I gotta disconnect the Wi-Fi. Yeah, I know it's almost that time when you hear that echo. Girls' room is empty. Bathroom empty. Just gotta get my computer. The closet is empty. Everything is gone. Time for new things, new beginnings, y'all. I'm gonna miss it here. I really liked it here. This was the first start of real independence for me when I left New York to move to a different state. So I'm forever grateful for this. I had good memories here, very peaceful here. And yeah. All right, guys, so when you first come in, we have a closet. They have valet trash here. This is for that. And then, go ahead, Lyric. Turn the kitchen light on. This is the kitchen. Super pretty kitchen. Look at the lights. I'm in love with these light fixtures. They're so beautiful. Kitchen is a whole vibe, y'all. Let me know what you think about this kitchen. Oh God, yeah. Let me give you guys the whole deets. We have black cabinets, which I absolutely love. Beautiful aesthetic. Look, so then, yeah. Look at the lights at night. This is so cute. Oh my God, I love that. And then there's a little, I think it's a wine cellar. I don't know. No, I know that's for wine. We don't drink, but that's still so cute to have. The stainless steel refrigerator, Lyric, open it up for them. Double doors, which I love because I'll be able to store more stuff in here. And not to mention, hold on, y'all. We got an ice maker, period. Nice microwave. Nice stove. I wish it wasn't electric, but it is what it is. We got a dishwasher, period. Have a nice pantry, nice and deep. So we're gonna load it up with the snacks. This whole section is the living room, which I love. Nice space. Look at the floors. The floors are so nice and clean, just like the floors that we already had, but it's really spacious in here, guys. Like, look at how much space we have. Look at this. I sound crazy, y'all. All right, which way we want to go?
This way, this way.
Okay, we'll go out here.
There is a balcony.
We have a balcony.
Finally.
Don't go out, you don't have shoes on. I'll show them it. When you step out here, we have a nice little balcony. I'm not gonna show you guys too much, but
Oh my God,
you
this
can
is
chill
so
out
high.
here. I'm probably put some chairs out here and just chill.
This is actually.
We're gonna go left. Okay, so when you go left right here, we have the washer and dryer, period. These are brand new, might I add. This is what I really like. I guess it's just like a desk type of area. I can edit here. The kids can do their homework here. I'll figure out what to do with this, but I think this is super cute. It's very different. And then this is my room. So the sunlight in here. I feel like the camera's not really, my settings are weird on this. It's giving like a, hold on, let me change the settings on this. All right, y'all. I changed the settings and it looks way better now because I don't know why I did it like that, but this is my room. Period. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom, which is my favorite part. Okay.
Mirror.
Look at the bathroom.
The details on the sink.
This is the more.
This is beautiful. Again, we have the black matte,
Black hat.
nice spacious mirror, and then it gets better, y'all. So you keep walking, and then boom. Come on now. Look at this. Look at the shower, y'all. Look how beautiful this is. Now you guys can see better. It's so nice. Very long and spacious bathroom.
Very different.
Keep walking the toilet.
Toilet, and then we have a walk-in closet.
Big one, actually.
Love it. It's so deep, and it has a closet door, so I absolutely love this. This is my favorite part about the house. My bathroom. It's beautiful. Your content coming soon, y'all. We're gonna go across. You wanna go in there? So here's another room. So much sunlight. I love the sunlight. Look how deep the closet is. Look, all of you guys can fit in there. Look how deep the closet is. Insane. It's so...
Probably 7 people in here.
I'm serious. You can literally, that's what I was trying to tell you, Mia. You would love it in here. Look how deep it is, y'all. The camera doesn't know justice.
This is actually a basement.
It's so big in here. Walk down. Open this up for me.
This is another little. This could be a linen closet.
Linen closet. Yup, exactly. Why are you in there? Get out.
Walking, and there's a bath.
Another bathroom.
Bathroom right there.
Ooh, this bathroom is nice.
Bathtub.
Period. You know what I love? I love the backsplash. Like in our other apartment, it was really nice, but this is so pretty. It's like, yes, beautiful bathroom.
Room.
Very, very, very cute. And then here's another bedroom. It's cold in here, I know.
Another room.
Yes, ma'am. And another deep closet. So nice. I love the closet space that it gives in here. What do you guys think?
I love it.
You love it?
I called dibs on the first one.
Yeah? That's you over there?
I called dibs.
I know one thing. We need to turn the heat on in here. I didn't turn the heat on yet because we didn't officially move in yet, but it is freezing in here. I've been feeling like crap, but I was like, I have to get you guys.
59.
It's on 59 degrees in here. Well, that's why we cold. But anyway, this is it. I wanted to give you guys a tour. So next thing, we will be moving in. We have like, literally, we can move in anytime we want to. But I'm just making sure to clean and get everything else out of the last apartment. Make sure everything is clean and stuff. But I hope you guys are excited for this new journey with us. I'm so excited to start a new journey with the kids. I'm just so grateful that God allowed me to find a place and a nice clean place, a beautiful place for me and my kids. So hey guys, so this is like the wellness center. They have computers and they also have like a printer, fax machine, and then whole setup right here is so cute. Kids can do their homework. You can just come chill. I can edit here. I know, it's so nice. Let's just talk about how beautiful this door is. It's so nice. Look at this door. So nice. They have TV in here. Come here, eat, whatever. We got a pool table. And then we have a 24-hour gym. I need to really get back on my grind because I'm supposed to be in the gym. I know, look at this gym, y'all. So nice. Look, we fancy. Super nice. No. So we gonna be in here. You gonna work out with me? You gonna work out with me?
Yeah.
Huh? This time you gonna be serious? Yeah. The pool area, this is a saltwater pool. So we a little bougie over here. You know it's gonna be better on the skin, y'all. Cabanas, like we on a vacation. So nice. This is so pretty. You can come out here and lounge. They said we have access to this all year round, but baby, y'all know we ain't doing this. We also have a fire pit, so they said we can use this if we want to make s'mores with the kids. Really, really nice. And then we have grills over here, picnic tables, games. Look at this. This is the best part. Look at the swing, y'all. Look at the swing. Swing is so nice. Isn't it a vibe? Such a vibe, right? I was like, I can't wait till summer so I can take my Instagram pictures on my swing. We got the ping pong. And then we have the flat screen. So isn't this cute? So you guys love it? Don't be so rough now. You gotta watch you, son. Don't go side to side. Is it back and forth? There you go.
Simply Michelle.